Hello, this tutorial is going to show you how to use the post tab within your Teams pages. So if you notice here, this is just a basic Teams page, and there is a general channel which all of your Teams pages will have. Your teacher might have other channels within there, but each one of them is going to have this post tab in it. So the post tab at the top here, this is where assignments, maybe different announcements, discussions that will be had with you and your classmates and your teacher. So if you notice, this is a post that my teacher gave me. So I can click on the resource that she asked me to put, which was she added a tab at the top, so I can click on that if I wanted to. Also, if you notice, if I hover over certain things here, this reactions thing is going to pop up. So you can do this with any post that is put on here from either the teacher or yourself or one of your peers. So I will heart this. Also, if you notice here, there's a ellipses for more options. If I click on that, I can save this message or mark it as in red. If this was your message, you could also delete it in this part, so keep that in mind. What I want to show is this Immersive Reader. So if you click on that, this will take you to different preferences that you can change. So if I wanted to change the text size, if that's better for bigger or smaller for you, you can do that. You can increase or decrease the spacing, change the font. If a color theme works better for you, you can change that here. The second tab here, you can put things in syllables if you'd like. You can turn on the nouns, verbs, adjectives, any other part of speech. You can also change the color again. If let's say, purple works better for the green background or better in general, you can change it there. And then there's also this toggle to turn on and off labels. So if colors don't work for you at all, or you just really want the labels there, you can see this is a noun, this is an adjective, and so on and so forth. The last one here is the reading preferences. So I'm going to do the translate part first at the bottom here. If you click on that, you'll notice that there's a plethora of languages that you can choose from. So we'll choose one random one. We'll choose Italian, and we'll ask it to translate the whole document. And if you can notice there, it translated into Italian. If I click between the original language, which was English, and Italian, you can do that. So if it's easy for you to click back and forth between different languages. Also at the bottom here, you can ask it to play in both languages. And if you notice, for both the Italian and the original language, it goes line by line. So that will do that for you. And then the picture dictionary here, this will allow you to click on a word and it'll show you, again, our preference is set to Italian. So it'll show us both the English version if you want us to listen to how it's said, and also in Italian. And then it will give you a picture dictionary of what that is. So if you learn better in pictures, this is a really good thing for you. Lastly, this reading preferences will allow you to have line focuses. So if you are better reading one line at a time, or 2 lines, or 3 lines, you have the ability to do that. So that's Immersive Reader. So now posting in the post. So again, replying to my teacher's post here, I just have to click reply. And I can type in here. I can change that type with this little A at the bottom here. So if I wanted to, let's say, bold it or highlight it, or you can change a lot of different things within there, add a hyperlink. So there's a lot of options. The second one here is if I wanted to add an attachment. So I can add something from OneDrive, from my computer. This third one is an emoji. So I can search from a bunch of different emojis. I'll put a little heart there again. Then we can do a GIF. So again, you can search any GIF that you want, but I got to put the puppy there. The sticker one here will, again, allow you to search, or you can search through different big topics. So let's do the open ocean. So I'll put this little guy here right on there. And then finally, this one is the Meet Now button. So this is the button that your teacher will put on when they want to do a video chat with you. So you could do that as well. But this is really what your teacher is going to be doing. These other ones are just buttons that I've added myself. So YouTube, news, so those might be added as well. But one thing to keep in mind is if you really don't like it, you can always delete it right here. But it is not sent until you press send. So you have to actually press send. And then finally, just to start a new conversation, if you don't want to reply to someone, you just do that right down here, and all these buttons are the same. So that's it.